Trouble in Trinidad, the first of a week-long special on problems some Jamaicans face getting into the Twin Island Republic. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, more opposition to a ban on Trinidadian goods.
Who turned off the lights? JPS explains massive power cut.
Murder in Manchester. A businessman is killed.
And in the Business Day, Exporters Association woos small and medium-sized enterprises.
There's also Ray of Hope, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Have you had any issues getting into any Caribbean country? Describe your experience.
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.